Hey guys, we're coming to you this afternoon. We're going to show you a really cool way that you can use your lathe in a different way that you probably didn't know how. And it involves an Easter egg. Tomorrow's Easter. So we're going to use our lathe in a minute to do something really cool. Let me show you how to do it. Let's go over to the lathe. We're going to use two of these little rubber things, these grip stop things that you can use for different things. I think you can get them in the kitchen section at Walmart. So I cut them to count it down to size small so I can put them on here. You don't need anything on the headstock and you don't need anything on the tailstock. So whatever you got on there, take it off. All right, so let's put this one on there. All right, egg please. There's our egg, goes in there like that. Here's our other piece, and we put it on our tailstock. And I'm gonna have my lovely assistant rotate the tailstock and stop. And I'll rotate it the rest of the way, just a little bit. And there we go.
Okay, we're gonna be using these colors to color the egg on the lathe. All right, let's go. Okay, let's start the magic. Let's turn on the lathe. There we go. Ooh, that looks good. Orange.
There you go, folks. There's how you make your own Easter egg on the lathe. Okay guys, here's the finished product. Look at that. It is a beautifully colored egg by my daughter. She did a great job, and a really cool thing you can do on the lathe. So make sure you like and make sure you subscribe. We'll see you guys later on the next project.